Yes, good morning, guys.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, as I said, we'll go for
Good morning,
revision
ma'am.
for today's class. Yeah, shall we do
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
one quick revision of what we have learned?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we do or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I want one of the persons to take initiative and tell whatever, feeling comfortable with the topic, with whichever topic.
Ma'am, we should start from first unit from where we stopped after generation of computers or yesterday's portion.
Generations हो गया ना, तो memory
Yes.
will go for memory. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
that's all, na. Then we'll go for IO devices. We'll go for memory, which is important.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, ma. Somebody, can anyone explain memory? What is memory? What are the types of memory? Primary and secondary, and under primary RAM, ROM, under RAM static and dynamic, under ROM, from EEPROM, double EEPROM, and RAM.
Computer's memory.
Yeah.
Memory is divided into two: primary memory and external memory. Primary memory is main memory. Primary memory are they are having two. It is having two names again: main memory and internal memory. And external memory is also called as secondary memory. And about the computer's memory, what? Yeah, computer's memory. We can say that memory is like all the data in memory are stored in form of binary language, that is zeros and ones. So they are also called byte, two digits by binary digits like 0 and 1 binary digits, which is also called as bits from that name. And yeah, 8 bits together is called as 1 byte. and 4 bits together is called as nibble. And yeah, 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte is equals to 1 kilobyte is equals to excuse me, ma'am, are you there?
024 MB.
Yeah, ma'am is there. Yeah, 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024 MB, and then like that it goes. Okay, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. We only have to learn till terabyte. And about internal memory, that is our primary memory or main memory. It is again divided into 3 things: RAM, ROM, and cache memory. And about RAM, um, yeah, about RAM is volatile in nature. So as volatile means it loses all the data. It is only for temporary time. Data, it will lose all the data after temporary time. If power cut is there or power supply is off, and then or computer is switched off, then yeah, so we already this about this cache memory. um, yeah, about this cache memory, when we it is also just a RAM which is attached to CPU, so which increases speed of CPU. Okay, uh, what we can say, it is having all the functions of registrars, like it in what we'll say, it increases the data, it increases the speed for calculation, and then mm, what we can say, it increases the process. Okay, it increases the process of computer. We get faster our outputs. And then ROM is read-only memory, which is non-volatile in nature. Non-volatile in sense it stores the data even if our computer is off or our power supply is cut off. Then again, also it stores the data, but such like so that but we cannot rewrite anything. We can only read in this. So this is again changed. It was changed for PROMs, that is programmable read-only memory. Then EPROMs, erasable read-only memory. Then EEPROMs, that is electrical erasable read-only memory. Then yeah, and this in this PROMs, that is programmable read-only memory, we can erase we can erase one time and rewrite it once. And in erasable read-only memory or something, 1 second, let me check on this.
Could be erased by making use of UV rays in erasable. Okay, and in
Erasable
EEPROM, yeah, a portion of the
EEPROM in
data.
electrical.
Yeah,
In
a
which
portion
portion,
of
ma'am?
the ROM chip could be like a portion of the memory could be erased and then it could be written. Okay, that is what you call it as electrically erasable, where a portion of the ROM could be done. Okay, so this is about ROM, read-only memory, which is, yes, non-volatile, which is permanent. It is already by the manufacturer itself, where it is only meant for reading. Nothing could be read into it. Okay.
Yes.
And as like hard disk, yes, which could only be like whatever the things related to the computer could be stored into that. It is by the manufacturer. And if you want to make any changes, then you have the concepts like programmable read only memory, which could be once erased, and once written again it could not be erased. Okay. And again you have EEPROM and EEPROM. Yes, coming to RAM is volatile in nature, like it is temporary in nature. And once any data, like it could be both, it could be used for both reading and writing purpose. And yes, till the power supply is on, till then only the contents with the RAM will be there. And basically you have 2 types of RAM. What are they? Static RAM and
Dynamic RAM and
dynamic RAM.
static RAM.
Okay, and the types of primary memory are again categorized as, apart from primary memory, you have cache memory, a part of the primary memory, a part of a circuit. You could call it as a part of the memory which is in between the CPU and the RAM. Okay, why cache means? Because for the faster execution of the instructions, rather than going into the memory. Am I audible, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Rather than going into the memory, so primary RAM. So at times it may be needed that the instructions have to be speeded up, the processing speed has to be speeded up, so the instructions may be fed into the cache memory, which is very small but very expensive. And moreover, if the data found in the cache, then you call it as cache hit, and if it is not found, then you call it as the cache miss. And the last one is virtual memory, like it is a memory which is borrowed for the execution. Borrow kahan se hota hai? It is from the secondary memory, and for execution of the instructions, as there is deficit in the primary memory, the instructions to be processed, however, so it appears it does not, the user does not know about all these things. When the things are being borrowed, then you call it as the virtual memory. Okay, so the borrowed memory, this is all about your memory, like primary and RAM and ROM. Secondary memory, I don't think so I have to go it for again, which is very lengthy, like you all could read itself. Okay, it is a sort of, you have to understand and you have to go through, like you have hard disks, pen drives, yes, and CDs, floppy disks, whatever. Okay, the secondary storage, auxiliary memory or external memory, where you attach where like the system needs for more processing and storing more amount of data, large volumes of data. Okay, so next,
Ma'am,
what is the
for
topic?
this secondary memory and all, can you send your notes? That will be much better for us.
Yeah, I'll send it, because I don't know, like I'm getting whenever I'm converting into PDF, I am getting struck over there, and suddenly I get engaged to some other work and the things are getting postponed. But I'll try to it to do, as it is like today is the weekend, and I'll try to do it. Okay,
Okay, no
every
problem,
time
ma'am.
I'm making it to PDF or some sort of conversions, I am unable to do that. So in the sense, like time is not permitting me by the time I wind up, so I'll try to do it by today or tomorrow. Okay, as it is Sunday, once again I'll post. Okay.
No
Okay,
problem, ma'am.
ma'am.
Take your time,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, ma. Next, what was the topic which we handled? Operating system, can anyone say?
System. Um, yeah, operating system is interface
Only
between.
Sara Beg will say, rest all will listen, that's all. Why, ma?
Yes, ma'am. I'll say.
Uma?
I will say, ma'am.
Nazmeen? Yeah.
Yes.
Sara, thank you for that, ma. Let her say. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. If not, again, I'll ask you to explain. Okay. Yes, Nazmeen. Come on.
No problem, ma'am. Let us continue.
Yeah.
Ma'am, point wise, I have to explain.
Naima, what is operating system? What are the functions of operating system? What are the types of operating system? आपको जितना समझ में आया उतना बोलो.
Okay, ma'am.
How much you understood and how much you could tell, explain the same. Okay, it's a sort
Okay,
of
ma'am.
revision. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Operating system, girls. Now I want to explain about operating system. It's an important component of the computer system. It's like backbone of computer. Without operating system, there will be no computer running. All computers must have an operating system, and it is used for starting the computer and to run other programs. Operating system provides an interface between the users and the hardware of computer system. Operating system provides an interface between the users and hardware of computer system, and it performs all the basic tasks for programs like recognizing input from the keyboard, sending output to the display screen, keeping track of files, directions of the disk, and etc. And for large systems, operating system has even greater responsibilities and powers. Like it is responsible for security, ensuring unauthorized users do not access the system. Once operating system has started up, it manages all the software and hardware on the computer. There are many different programs running at the same time, and they all need to access your computer CPU, memory, and storage. So the operating system coordinates all of this to make sure that each program gets what it needs. Like operating system makes every program run smoothly without any what errors and all. It also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. Uh, Operating system makes the thing, ma'am, what can I say? It allows to communicate with the computer.
Yes, it acts in fact it acts, what you're saying is correct, like it acts as an interface between the user and the hardware of the computer system.
Okay, what we say, it makes computer to understand properly, and what computer gives,
It
it
makes the
make us.
computer work. So if even like without hardware, software has no meaning, and software without
Yes,
software, hardware has no meaning. So in order
they are both
both
are
the software
interdependent.
and hardware to work, it is the operating system. It is the which makes both go hand in hand, like which makes the system work, which makes the system operate. Okay.
Yes. And the most popular operating systems are disk operating system, DOS, and Unix, Windows 98, Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Linux, etc. Now, functions of operating system. Operating system performs so many functions, like it works as an interface, as I told you, between computers and computers hardware and software. And then it processes management, that is assignment of processor to different tasks being performed by the computer system. Then it manages the memory, and it manages input and output. It manages file, that is a creation of new file, and it changes an existing file, or copying or moving a file from one storage location to another. And it establishes a priority system, which determines and maintains the order in which jobs are to be executed in the computer system. And it interprets the commands or instructions, and it assigns software program to different computer users according to their demand. And it establishes data security and data integrity, so that unauthorized users doesn't access the system. It secures all the data, or all the programs, so that no one can access the unauthorized users does not access the system. And then it trans transits automatic transition from job to job as directed by special control statements. And it facilitates easy communication between the computer system and the computer user, as it is an interface. So it facilitates easy communication. Girls, are you getting?
Yes, any doubts, ma? Girls,
No.
operating system and functions, all of you. Girls, I want at least to respond, ma. If you're not even like
Yeah, girls.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
what happened to Mariam? She's very quiet today. Mariam, are you there?
Yes,
You
ma'am,
are
I'm
very.
here only because
Are
my
you
voice
okay?
is very, what we can say, too horrible today. That's the reason I'm not speaking today.
That's what, like, see the class, like I've seen you, but no response. I thought, let me ask you, what happened? Are you okay? Is your health okay?
Just a little bit having a fever, ma'am. That's the reason I'm not talking because
Okay,
it will
okay,
be
no
too
issues.
horrible. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, take care, ma. Have
Okay, ma'am.
proper medicines and proper diet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah. Next, who will take, ma? Like एक operating system ही बोलो. Like you have only 5 operating systems, multi-processing, multitasking. One you take one topic, not all
Ma'am,
at
I'll
once.
explain the types of operating system.
Mariam, not needed. You are suffering from fever, right?
Just a
Let other
little bit,
girls
ma'am.
take the
I
chance
won't
today.
start it.
Sana Fatima, will you explain? Amtul Yasmin, Lubna, आप नहीं कुछ बोल. Lubna है इसमें. Yeah, Lubna, you did
Ma'am,
not
I will
participate in
explain
FIT.
operating system.
Yeah, Amtul Yasmin, yeah, ma. Yes, carry on, ma.
Ma'am, today my voice is not well. That's why I'm not.
Yeah,
Shall I go
yeah.
for the
Sana
types of
Fatima,
Ma'am,
operating
I'll
yes.
take
system?
types
Yes.
of operating system.
No, I don't want now again Nazmeen and Mariam. I want other girls to participate. Like Lubna, aap bolo. Lubna, are you there?
Ma'am, Masarat and Uzma can also explain nicely,
Masrat
but
and
I
Uzma.
don't know why they are not responding.
Masrat, Fatima,
And Uzma.
Uzma.
Sidra also, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, girls, please let me know through your names. First impression is the best impression. See, now I just called Mariam as she's not speaking, even Sana Fatima. Yes, and Sarah Beg. Like you are recognized by your talents and the skills. Yes or no? When given chance, prove yourself. Even Nazmin also for everything. I could recognize her voice and her name. Nazmin, always active participant. I want all to be like that. Ismatulnisa, you are the one who joined very
Ma'am,
fastly
under
and
this,
first.
our time will be wasted. So I'll go with types of operating system.
Yeah, carry on, ma.
Types of operating system. Under that, we'll have a single operating system, which is nothing but a type of operating system. In that, only will have the single person at a time to operate the system.
Okay.
So it is nothing but one person can only use at a time. One person can only use the system at a time. And the example of single user operating system is MS-DOS. That is nothing but Microsoft disk operating system. And the biggest advantage we can take that if they will be overloaded, like if they will be multi-user or more than one user, then the computer will get burdened. So it is the biggest example of single operating user operating system is it reduces the overload on the computer. Or disadvantage, we can say that not sufficient for job scheduling. If one user will be there, then it won't divide the jobs at a particular time. So that is the biggest disadvantage. Then next is multi-user operating system. By the name itself, it is recognizing that it is multi-user, more than one user will be there. And here a number of systems, n number of systems are connected to the computer through terminals. N number of systems are connected to the computer through terminals, and these are used by a large organization or a huge business purpose, that only there will be one main computer which will have a CPU, the CPU, mouse and keyboard. The other systems to whom the computer is connected, they'll only have the monitor, keyboard and mouse. They won't have CPU, that is operating system. They won't have control unit, they won't have, only they'll have the terminals which is connected to the main computer. Then the advantages is, and it reduces the time. As in the single user, if one user work at a time, then it will be more burden on a person to complete the work on time. So it use better resources, we can say. An example of multi-user operating systems are Windows 2000, Windows 2003, etc. And disadvantage is, if at a time more users are connected to a one computer, and it's get the possibility of getting hang or some sort of disturbance in the computer. And next is single tasking operating system. That is nothing but these process only one application at a time. Task means only one application at a time, and user can't start another application if one application undergoes, then the user cannot start the another application under process. If till the completion of one task, the another task should not be included or should not be performed. Should not be, no, it cannot perform. Only this is single tasking operating system. And next is multitasking operating system. It is the opposite of single tasking operating system. And this system is allows the user to run more than one application at a time. And likewise, will do that, what you can say, downloading. It will go to the Play Store, not Play Store, in mobiles, I'm saying Play Store, in that e-mark in systems. If we go there and we'll go to the files and we'll get download, and we can come to the main menu and that file goes downloading. That is nothing but a multitasking operating system. And here we can minimize the screen and we can start another. If we want to do the Excel or MS Word or MS Pad, we can do that. That is nothing but multitasking operating system, which allows the user to do more than one application. And multi-programming operating system, it is nothing but two or more programs which can be undergoes at a time. This is not for the application. This is undergoes process, which is connected with the processor. That is nothing but our RAM, and it can execute two or more programs at a time. And example for multi-programming operating systems are Windows 2000, Windows NT, etc. Single processing operating system. Single means a sole, or you can say a union, a single person. And single processing operating system works with one processor. And this operating system programs for organization, and not huge organizations, because as it is a single processor operating system, so it is used for a small organizations, and home purpose also. Yeah, household also. It is also used for household. And these single processing operating system are not suitable to accomplish or to start up a huge organization. And examples are Windows 98, etc.
Yeah.
Multi-processing.
Yeah, hold on. See, now you have like batch processing. Yes, what do you mean by batch processing? Like when there are similar jobs to be done, similar work to be done. At prior, it was like computer operator who used to be like given whatever we want to task to be accomplished. Now, like it is the batch processing system where what is happening, it could be the example of the payrolls or some sort of accounting details where at once they have been submitted to the computer. Obviously, what will be the advantage? Like it reduces the processing time, the CPU utilization time will be the least. And the biggest disadvantage is, yes, if you cannot manipulate the details individually as it is going in a batch. If you want to manipulate any individual details, it is not possible. Okay, that is what you call it as batch processing. And network operating system, when your systems are connected through internet or the network, where there comes the client and server technology scenario, client request and the server response, where the systems are connected over the internet. And the purpose of connecting is sharing the resources or the information or the data. Yes, so that is what you call it as network operating systems. And in such scenario, even like if it is apart from this, like yes, you have distributed operating systems where the data will be distributed across geographical locations, and one main system, like you could call it as a mainframe, contains all the details of all the systems which are distributed. So even if one of the advantage is if even one of the terminals fails, then they could get the data from the main source. Okay. And yes, but the time and what is happening, there will be duplication of the data in such scenario. Okay. The data can be repeated at many systems. Okay. This is about your distributed data, distributed operating systems. And then you have real time. Yes, what do you mean by real time? Which goes on currently, like abhi jo hai, like whatever we are doing the things with, like real time, either booking a ticket. The best examples could be, yes, that is what you call it as real time operating systems. And the last one is time sharing. Yes, what do you mean by time sharing? Where this time sharing, you call it as time slice or time slot or quantum also. What is happening here? Yes, the time is being given to each and every process or the application or the program, whatever you could call it, or a process. And based on that time, the CPU executes, like the processor is given that particular process within the allocated time. And what is happening, if because of any reason, even if the system is if the process is being unable to get processed by the processor, like CPU shuffles in between. Samjo, as I said, if process 2 is in queue and process 3 has already started, and process 3, if it is done with early processing, then process 2 will be admitted. So internally, the shuffling of the processes will be like transition, what you call. And then it would be done accordingly, like the processing will be done accordingly. So these are all about your types of operating systems. Okay. Under that, whatever there is in your syllabus, like multitasking, multi-programming, I guess,
Multi-threading.
batch processing, time sharing. Okay, real time jo bhi hai na, you learn them very perfectly, which is there in your syllabus. Okay ma? Still any doubts? If you have any doubts, please let me know. Ma.
No,
I
ma'am.
don't know how many of you are listening apart from these three to five girls. Okay. Seriously, I don't know. Okay. So I'll take the attendance, ma. You please respond.
Multi-threading.
Okay, ma'am.
Ji, ma. Bola, ma. Nazmin. Nazmin, you are saying something?
To know about multi-threading.
Multi-threading. Okay, multi-threading means it is same like what is a thread? A thread is a process under execution. If there are more than one processes which are going on concurrently, simultaneously, then you call it as multi-threading. Yes, is it okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubt still, like a process under execution, you call it as a thread. Multi-threading, more than one process which are being executed concurrently. Okay, but for the user, it happens that it happens to see that, like, we feel as a user that it is going on all once at a time, but internally they go concurrently or simultaneously or one after the other. So that is what you call it as multi-threading. And see, whenever it is coming to multi, the disadvantages you find is, the basic disadvantage is, as it is between multiple processes or multiple process or multiple programs, there will be a sort of interference. So that will be the drawback, like interference among the programs. Yes, that will be a
No
drawback,
security.
the most common drawback for all these multi scenarios. And if it is only for single, then the CPU resources will not be utilized, like CPU utilization time will be idle. Like एक ही काम कर रहे हैं एक वक्त, तो then it would be a Yeah, ma. Shall I take the attendance? If you don't have any doubts, I'll take the attendance. Now it has come to
Yes, ma'am.
54. I don't know why. At the last day joining, it is 9:42. Huh? If I say madam, pehle join हुए madam, फिर से network issues. Yes, Malakpet girls, raise your hands. Acha, Malakpet girls, I think you have your own group, right? Apart from official group, do you have any?
No, ma'am.
No?
No,
Shali
ma'am.
Banda wale करे ना, Mariam करे ना वो group.
Like all students
In the
group, we have
Shalibanda branch,
combined.
Malakpet and the Shalibanda, both the girls are there, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So both girls are there. Okay, that's what I wanted. Now you post in the group that only 14 girls out of some 30 are attending the classes. If I see the same names, I will forward to principal madam. जब classes शुरू होते ना, तो I'll not allow the girls, rest of the girls. You post the same in the group. Like it is the instruction from Janavi ma'am stating that the girls who are not attending the online classes will not be permitted to offline classes also. If this is the case, ask them to resolve the technical issues if they have any through the college management, or they could go to the college where they could rectify their Zoom IDs and etc. Okay. And no need of IDs also for Zoom app. If you log into the Zoom, if you download the app and you could log in with the given password and ID or just the link. Yes or no? Yes or no, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know what is the problem with them. Say, even both the branch girls say, like, see, attendance is being very particular now. If the sessions are not being attended, then no internal marks will be given, as this is the first semester. I'll put all the internal marks 0, undoubtedly. And if you know your siblings, you ask about me, they know very well about what I am regarding the attendance. Seriously. ठीक है ना? You post this, your internal marks will be withheld for the girls who are not attending regularly, because now I'm noted with all the names most familiarly, like who is joining. For every 10 minutes I stop my session. Why? Because I'm particularly observing who are the girls who are joining and who are not. So be very cautious, girls. Very cautious. You are good girls who are attending well and fine. I'm not saying anything to you. You please inform this matter very seriously and in a polite manner, stating that your internal marks will not be posted until and unless your attendance in online classes is done. Okay, not only in my class, in all the classes from 9 to 1, 9 to 2. Okay? Okay, make it a point. Okay, I'll end up the session here, ma. Okay, take care, all of you. Don't
Okay.
waste your time, as the classes have been like now everything is on track. Yes, the life has come on track now.
Ma'am, is this
After-
the last day online class?
No, I don't think so. Like there is no official notice, ma. For degree, like see, they are planning. Okay, once we come to any such things, then you'll be informed. Don't worry. Let us hope for the best. Okay,
Yes.
done.
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
start with new topic on Monday, and very interesting, like software. Okay, we'll go with unit 2. Hardly if I finish off with software like we have started yesterday, then we'll be left out with only with one unit, which is very easy, like data communications, internet, the topologies, the types of networks. Okay, which we'll do it. Okay, ma. So hardly, as I said, 12 to 14 regular classes will wind up with the syllabus. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And you know, it's a 50 marks paper for you, which we are and you have only 1.5 hours to write the paper, where you should be very cautious, girls. Again, I'll discuss whenever I find time about this issue. Okay, take care till then. Bye bye, all of you, ma.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, ma, thank you.
मम्मा
Mariam,
हाँ मरियम।
Mariam.
Mariam is not.
Sarah,
Yes, Samira.
in 12th problem,
Hmm.
it is like cash. We have to prepare cash book now.
Yeah, 3-column cash book.
No,
Mariam
only
came.
two
Yeah. Say. Mariam, your
cash
voice
book.
is not clear.
I think Mariam is not there.
No, she's there. She cannot speak. I guess her what will say network problem.
Host is
Cash book.
One
Ismat.
second. Yes, you speak. Samira, Mariam is saying you something.
Yes, Mariam.
मेरी वो इंट्रैक्शन हो गई। इसमत is active, let me tell, इसमत is active, मारिया की तरह नहीं होना। इसमत active है?
Yeah, she made you host.
Yes.
हाँ, शुक्र है अल्लाह का।
Yes, Mariam.
हाँ जी, बोलिए।
देखो 12 प्रॉब्लम में अपने कैश बुक प्रिपेयर करना है ना।
I have not seen yet. अभी just
अच्छा नहीं, जस्ट मेरे को सिर्फ बोलो खाली, मेरे को आंसर आ गया।
What answer you got? Say me, I will check. It is right or wrong.
नहीं, listen, third problem, look at third problem.
मम्मा
You mean 3rd January?
No यार,
push
C26 निकालो।
1 second.
I think you have not textbook.
Yes, 1 second. I am having pictures which Sumaya sent me. So I'll just take that. C6. Okay. Is 26 na or 20?
C26.
Yeah, I got. Question number 3 and 4 are there.
हाँ 3. In that problem, there is no bank column.
That is 2-column cash book, na?
हाँ, like that 12 problem is also there cash book only, not 3-column cash book.
Need,
In 12th problem, only we have to take the bank receipt and bank payment.
वो ओपी कंसल्ट करना है।
तो अपने को इसमें बैंक कॉलम नहीं बनाना है 12 प्रॉब्लम में।
like that, I made bank column.
वेरी व्यू हमें बैंक के एमसी नहीं है, कुछ भी एंट्रीज कुछ भी नहीं है बैंक के, सिर्फ कैश के ही यहाँ पे।